Air fried baby back ribs today. We got some garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, brown sugar, paprika, and sea salt. Cleaned the ribs up real good. Added some mustard all around. Made sure. Dump everything in there. Mixed it up real good. Made sure that everything was incorporated. Don't be afraid to mix it up. You got to mix it up. Made sure everything was nice and mixed. Add a little bit of hickory liquid smoke. And then mix that all together. Grab 2 pieces of aluminum foil and put half and half and wrap them up. After I wrap them up, I place them inside the air fryer basket for about 40 minutes at 360 degrees. After they were done, I took them out with aluminum foil and put Carolina barbecue sauce on there. Carolina mustard sauce, that is. Put them back in for another 5 minutes at 400 degrees, and this is what came out. Looks very good to me. Comment, like, subscribe.